If you want to keep track of a message or group conversation and come back to it later, Telegram makes that really easy. In this video, I'm going to show you how to mark chats as unread on Telegram desktop step by step so you can organize your inbox and never lose important conversations. This is a quick but super useful feature, especially if you read a message but want to remind yourself to reply later. And if this tutorial helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more easy software tips just like this. Let's jump right in. First, open Telegram desktop on your PC. Make sure you're logged into the account where you want to manage your chats. Once Telegram opens, look at the left sidebar. This is where all of your chats, group conversations, and channels are listed. Scroll through that list and find the chat you want to change. It could be a private conversation, a group, or any chat that you want to come back to later. Now, right-click on that chat or group name. A small menu will pop up with different options for that conversation. From that menu, click on Mark as Unread. As soon as you do that, Telegram will mark the chat as unread, which helps you remember that there is still something you need to check or respond to. This is really handy if you opened a message by mistake, if you want to keep a chat at the top of your attention list, or if you just want a simple visual reminder for later. That's all there is to it. In just a few seconds, you can mark chats as unread on Telegram and stay more organized without losing track of important messages. If this video helped you out, please give it a like, subscribe for more Telegram tutorials, and I'll see you in the next one.